talk about something fun, exciting, and healthy. It's table tennis.
Yup. Did you know that playing table tennis isn't just a game? It's actually teach us important values and give us amazing benefits.
First, one core value we learn is discipline because you need focus and consistent practice to improve your skills.
Another one is teamwork. Whether you're playing doubles or just practicing, you learn how to cooperate and trust your partner.
And of course, there are benefits too. One big benefit is physical fitness. Table tennis may look simple, but it makes you move fast, keeps your reflexes sharp, and it helps with your coordination.
Exactly. Plus, it also boosts your mental sharpness. Since you're thinking about the strategy and quick responses, it really trains your brain and to stay alert.
So, table tennis isn't just a sport. It is a way to build values and stay healthy.
That's why we say table tennis. Sharp mind, strong body.